Hey, what's up guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this tutorial, we'll be discussing about how to rename columns in the data frame. That will be our main discussion of this video, how to rename columns in the data frame. Guys, before going further, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you'll be the first to be notified when I upload coding videos. Okay guys, without further ado, let's go. Okay, first of all, we're going to be importing pandas as PD. Okay, I've already imported it. We are going to be creating our own data frame about this df, so we can rename the column in data frame. Call it df, go to pd dot data frame. We're going to creating a very simple data frame. Data frame is going to be a list of lists. It should be a list of name. Call this Martin. SAS. There should be James. Okay. Then we're going to create on that list. This should be list of the ages of the individuals. 19, just a random age, 23 and 21. Okay. Then I want to create a last list of items. This will be the country of the individuals. For this, France. Nigeria. This just random country, USA. Okay, let me run this now and let me check my data frame. Okay, this data frame which we have now, as you can see here, what's happening. Okay, oh, my data frame here is having a mixed category. I think I should just make this my first column here a single category, meaning a category of name of individual. My second category should be category of the ages, and my third should be category of the country. To do that, I simply come here and I will just transpose my data frame. Just put dot e, capital letter T. It's going to transpose my data frame, converting the rows into the column and the column into the rows. Let me run this now and let me run my data frame again. Okay, here we have it now. Category of name, age, and country. Okay. There are different methods of actually renaming your data frame in using pandas. The first method, easiest method, is using a list of name. Okay, I'm going to call this a markdown. Using a list of column name. To use this method, I simply come here. I simply come my data frame dot. I give it the extension column. I set it to my new column name. I'm going to call this now. Okay, the first one is, okay, which category is it? Okay, category of name. Second one is the category of age. And the third one is the category of country where the individual belong. Let me run this now. Let me recall my data frame again. See here now, the column will be renamed. This one which was 0 before is now names. Second one which was 1 is now age, and the third one which was 2 is now country. Okay, this is just one of the method of renaming columns in a data frame. The other method which we are going to be going over is using the pandas rename method. Okay, just give my heading using pandas rename method. Okay, let me run this. This one is actually my best, the one I normally use. This one I normally use is quite the best. Okay, all that I'm going to do now, I'm simply going to let me actually rename this. We create this my data frame again, so I have the same column as before. Be for my data frame. Okay, now see here now my data frame has been created as this before, 0, 1, 2. Okay, now I'm going to use my rename method to rename my data frame. To do that, I simply call my df.rename okay. Then this method actually function as a map. It usually function as a map. I'm going to map out my original column name to the name which I want. Okay, this is column 0. I'm going to map it to, I want to rename it to name. Then 1. I want to map it to I'm going to map it to H. Then 2. I want to map it to country. Okay. Okay, guys, that's how you rename column in Pandas. Okay, guys, don't forget to check out my other Pandas tutorial video. Okay, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more coding and programming videos. Okay, guys, thanks for watching.